Nutanix Database Services takes care of many things in an automated way. For those of you interested in the details, behind the scenes sort of look at what's happening under the hood, in this video we'll take a look at the steps necessary to prep a virtual machine with the SQL Server database engine already installed for use within Nutanix Era. Again, these steps are typically automated with the wizard-driven interface that Era brings to bear, but many of us like to know what's going on under the hood, so to speak. So here's a quick look. I've got a number of virtual machines registered here in Prism, some of which are SQL servers, as you see here, and a couple are powered on, a couple aren't. This SQL server is my template. It's been sys-prepped, it's got the SQL Server database engine on it, and ready to be cloned. So step one in this process is, in fact, creating a clone. So I'll go ahead and do that, just because with Nutanix things are super fast in that regard. And I'll go ahead and give this a name. Let's make it really obvious that it's a template for Microsoft SQL Server. All right, I'm going to give this, I'll leave that there. Go ahead and save that. All right, so I've got my new SQL Server template. That was just really for illustrative purposes. I'm going to create a couple of other SQL servers that we'll use to do some work with. So again, I'll go ahead and clone this guy. This time I'm going to create 2 clones. They'll be called video demo, and we'll have them numbered sequentially. Let's create 3 of them. These I want to have a bit more memory. Call it 32 gig. Say go. Now with those clones created, I have found a very important step in this process is to make sure that you have a unique name for each of these machines. So I'm going to power them on and go through the process of renaming them. And we'll give those an opportunity to boot. All right, booted into Windows. Go ahead and rename. My machines. Now, to reiterate, these servers have the SQL Server database engine on them, but there are no databases other than the system databases registered on these systems.